In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a cover page in LibreOffice. Whether you're a student needing to submit a report or a professional preparing a document, a well-designed cover page can make a significant impact. With LibreOffice, this process is simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download the latest version from the official LibreOffice website. Once installed, simply double-click the LibreOffice icon to launch the program. Now you're ready to get started. Once LibreOffice is open, the next step is to click on the Writer Document option. This will open a new blank document where you can begin working on your cover page. Writer is LibreOffice's word processor, similar to Microsoft Word, and it provides all the tools you need to create professional-looking documents. Now, let's move on to creating the cover page itself. A cover page typically includes the document title, subtitle, author's name, date, and sometimes an image or logo. Start by centering your text. You can do this by clicking on the Center Alignment button in the toolbar at the top of the screen. This helps to give your cover page a clean and balanced look. Next, type in the title of your document. Make sure to use a clear and large font size to make the title stand out. You can adjust the font size and style from the toolbar. Experiment with different fonts to find one that suits the tone of your document. For a professional look, fonts like Times New Roman or Arial are generally safe choices. Underneath the title, you may want to add a subtitle or a brief description. This should be in a slightly smaller font to distinguish it from the main title. Once you have your title and subtitle in place, it's time to add your name or the name of the author. This is typically placed towards the bottom of the cover page. Again, make sure the text is centered and the font is consistent with the rest of your cover page. Don't forget to include the date. This can be as simple as the month and year or the full date, depending on your preference or the requirements of your document. Having a date on your cover page can be particularly useful for keeping track of versions or for historical reference. Lastly, consider adding a visual element like an image or a logo, especially if this is a corporate document. To insert an image, go to the Insert menu, select Image, and choose the file from your computer. Make sure it's properly aligned and not too large. Your image should complement the text, not overshadow it, and there you have it. A simple yet effective cover page created in LibreOffice. Remember, the key to a great cover page is clarity and simplicity. It should be inviting and professional, setting the tone for the rest of your document. With these tips, you'll be able to create a cover page that makes a lasting impression. Thanks for watching and happy document creating.